Hey, most of our days revolve around drawings, models, meetings, site visits, and problem solving. I believe every human has a creative side, but due to busy work life, we don't get that chance. So today, I decided to try something unrelated or completely different. I want to show you what exactly it is. This is a box of happiness, and I promise this will be a stress buster. Let's quickly unbox. Alright, let's see what we've got here. We have the Kalimba itself along with some accessories. I would say it's a decent packaging. Okay, first impression. This is tiny, compact. Look at this, it can fit in my hands perfectly. It's very comfortable to hold. The wood feels really nice, and look at these metal tines. So simple yet elegant. Now let's check the accessories. It comes with a tuning hammer, a cleaning cloth, some stickers, and a manual. I'm not sure what are these. These are probably meant to wear it on the thumb while playing. I hope I'm doing it the right way. This is a tuning hammer, but this isn't how you actually tune it. I'm just showing you for demonstration purposes. Make sure to use a tuning app on your phone to help you through the actual tuning process. Wow, the sound is so pleasing, very calming. I'm just randomly playing some keys and somehow it all seems to come together and make sense, doesn't it? There's no pressure here, just enjoy the moment. Three things that makes this perfect for busy professionals. First, stress relief. I've hardly played it for 30 seconds and I already feel different. It's a legit stress buster. Second, it's affordable. I've added a link in the description box just in case if you're interested to know the pricing. But compared to any other instrument, this is very accessible, very pocket friendly. This could also be a perfect gift for your loved ones. Third, it's compact, it's portable, it's light, travel friendly. You can easily put in your bag, and you're good to go. This requires zero setup, just pick it up and play. Now I could end this video here, but just in case if you're interested to know what I learned in approximately 2 days, then you'll have to stay a bit longer.